Behind me is a 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. People are calling this the perfect trim to buy. Let's find out why. Before we get into the video, I want to say a huge thank you to Taylor Ford in Port Perry, Ontario for lending us this truck for today to do a video for you guys. Under the hood, we have a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, 10-speed automatic transmission. This thing puts out 400 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque, and tows a considerable 13,500 pounds. Now, one really cool thing about the front end, you're looking at a coast-to-coast grille. That's what Ford is calling this. You'll see how it wraps around the headlights here. Nice looking headlights too, with the divided by the amber. But yeah, the grille blacked out, really cool looking how it comes all the way around. Below that, you got your fog lights. So instead of chrome, with the 302A package, you can get this color match bumper, and then with the black appearance package, just makes everything so much better as well. Big Ford badge. I like the white as opposed to the chrome. That looks pretty good to me. Tow hooks down below as well. On the side of the vehicle, we're looking at a red truck, obviously, right? But it's actually called Rapid Red. Just to kind of mix it up a bit, maybe make it sound better, kind of cooler. Your rims are 18-inch. Wrapping around that is a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Ford F-150 XLT badge on the venting here. Blacked out as well with that black appearance package. Your running boards are pretty good looking. They're built to stay. They're not power, but it has a nice Ford badge right in the center of it. I think it looks pretty good, and it's pretty got some good grip to it. Cool thing about the back is another color match bumper in the back. So it really, it's very synergized. Nice big Ford badge as well. F-150, like kind of an indent logo. It's kind of cool like that. 7/4 pin. You'll notice we don't have any tailgate steps here. If you know Ford, saying you know where that is, but if you don't, then you'll be kind of interested to see where that is. Backup camera, assisted tailgate. When you pull it down, it'll come down pretty easily for you, and then putting it up, it's also assisted, so it's not too heavy. That's kind of as close as you're gonna get before you have like a fully self-remote tailgate. Pull this out, that comes down, and then over here on the left, that comes out, goes up, and then you can raise it, and it'll lock in right there as well. Pretty good little step going on here. You'll notice we don't have a spray-in bed liner, but you got some protection on the back of the truck. You also have some measurement systems going on. And I think this is more of a work-level truck, but with some premium features going on in there as well. On the XLT, you are equipped with your onboard power in the rear, so you have an outlet in the back. Just the one, nothing crazy, but it can come in handy on the job site, like we said. And then you have a little storage box on the right side. Tie-down hooks, you're looking at 8 total. 4 of them are up higher, and they kind of look like a wall outlet, like in your house. That's kind of neat. You'll notice some indents going on the wheel wells and in the side of the vehicle right over there. Those are actually for 2x4s that you could cut yourself, and you can make kind of a system of sections in the back of the vehicle. That about does it for the outside of this vehicle in total. Not a terrible price either, sitting at 80,000 Canadian, 60-ish thousand US, maybe a little less than that. So with that, good looks on the outside. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Inside, we're looking at a leather-wrapped steering wheel. It is quite large, but comfortable for the hands. Your standard shifter in the center. If you're in the STX, that's where you're gonna get your column shifter. A lot of people do prefer that. Me personally, I do like it down here more. 12-inch driver info screen, 12-inch infotainment system. They're both, one's kind of wider and one's a bit taller. All the stuff you're gonna need in here. Lots of features. You got apps going on as well. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Does anyone actually use the navigation system built into the vehicle anymore? I'm actually kind of curious. Like, let me know in the comments or something. But over here, dual glove box system. That's actually a nice little kind of accent. It's very minimal. Massive sunshades going on here, and a good sized mirror. I think they could have made that mirror a little bit bigger, but that gives you everything you need. No sunroof in this vehicle. Seats are comfortable. We got a gray stitching on the seats as well with a little pattern going on for your back and butt area. Standard controls going on here. We have heated seats as well. Chargers, you're looking at a plug on the right side, a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. Within this compartment, you have a USB and USB-C port and lots of space going on in here. We got like change trays, phones, McDonald's, whatever you want. Cup holders, basic. You have rear cup holders up top, and then this massive center console system. You have a change tray in here with like the actual holders for it, and then you have at least a cubic foot of storage in here. You got 2 USB-C charging ports in there as well. That is massive, that system there. Rear seats, we're looking at plenty of room back here. This has got to be one of the most spacious trucks I've ever been inside, at least for rear seats. It's pretty close to being number one for sure. 2 USB ports, ventilation, and then you have a outlet plug there. Yeah, these are, they'll do. They're not uncomfortable, but they could be a lot better, I guess so. But this is an XLT. We're not in a Lariat. We're not in, the very top trims, right? So all I would like personally, like the back is comfortable, but I would love to see this part go down just even 1 inch would be fantastic. Other than that, these fold up easily. Just pull them right up. Like a 4-inch wall going on here. This is where you'd put like your important stuff, your tools. Now, something to point out is the accessibility of the hooks in the back seat for your car seats for your kids. If you got kids, this is going to be pretty convenient because they're very accessible there. That's going to do it for this 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Hopefully that gives you some insight as to why people say that this is the perfect trim to buy. Thank you again to Taylor Ford in Port Perry, Ontario. Subscribe if you have not already to not miss any more of our future uploads, and click right over here to keep checking out brand new trucks.